How to remove domain from Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to do it. It's very simple. So let's just go and get to it. So first you will need to know one thing, that you will need to actually have a different domain in order to make it as primary in order to remove the one that you want to remove. So let's just go and show that in action. I'm just going to go to settings. And once you click on settings, you simply just want to scroll down. You should be able to find domains. So simply click on that. And here you're going to find the list of all the different domains that you have. So this is the primary one that I had from Shopify itself. And then I just add this one just so for the sake of this tutorial. But let's say you did actually add a different one and you made it to be the primary one. So in that case, what you need to do is just make a different domain, the primary one. As you can see here, this is how to know whether it's going to be the primary one or not. So make sure a different one has the primary icon. And once that's done, and by the way, to make it primary, you can just go to the settings. Once you click on it, and you're going to be able to make it primary. Okay. So once you make a different, let's just go back, a different domain primary, all you need to do is just click on the other one. And you should be able to find from the more actions option, delete domain. You simply just click on that and delete it. Now I need to note that deleting a domain or removing it from your Shopify does not cancel a domain purchase that you did from Shopify. It only just disconnects it from your Shopify store. Meaning if someone actually uses that domain on Google, it's not going to lead them anymore to your Shopify store. But that does not cancel your purchase. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.